Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer data from your old Android phone to your Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store on both of your smartphones and in the search bar, just search this and install this app on both of your smartphones. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on More, then tap on Continue. Now just tap on More and select Continue. Now just give this app this permission. Then go to Settings. Now just enable this toggle. After that, just go back and tap on Settings. Then enable this toggle. Then go back and tap on Settings. Now just enable this toggle. Then go back and tap on Let's Go. Now on your Samsung phone, just select Allow. And from here, just select how you want to transfer your data. You can either transfer your data using a cable or you can use the wireless option. For now, I will select wireless. Now on your Samsung phone, just select Receive on this phone. And from here, just select your old device. If your old device is an iPhone, just select iPhone. And if your old device is a Samsung phone or any other Android phone, just select Android. Then tap on wireless. Now just scan this QR code on your Samsung phone with your Android phone. Just like that. Now on your Samsung phone, just select the data which you want to transfer. You can either tap on everything and it will transfer everything from your old Android phone to your Samsung phone, or you can select just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages, and it will only transfer the accounts, calls, contacts, and the messages from your old Android phone. Or you can tap on Custom, then tap on Next. Now in Custom mode, you can select the specific data which you want to transfer. For an example, I will select Images. Then tap on Transfer. Then tap on Done. Now just tap on Next and tap on Done. And as you can see, we have successfully transferred our photos from our old Android phone to our Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can transfer data from your old Android phone to your Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.